Great way to wake up at the dock in Key West, Florida, with a sport fisherman heading out for a day's fishing. One of the better restaurants in Key West is just steps away from where we're docked. Nice place to dock, eh? Here's a shot of VTAC from the main dock. Not too many sailboats in the marina, but some. And we're off for a day of exploration in the city of Key West. Papa's Pillar Rum Company is doing it right. Very nice ride. Of course, there's chickens everywhere. These are feral chickens. Scooters for rent. Whatever color you like. That's the southernmost bar right there. This is the southernmost point. And our man is taking photographs of the tourists for tips. Good work if you can get it. See what I mean?
No hands in the pockets.
Even the mockingbirds have learned to stay out of the sun. Some people spotted my camera and were hamming. Wow. Look at all the butterflies. Oh, guess there's birds too. This is the butterfly house that's a block or two away from the southernmost point. They really do have a lot of wonderful butterflies. And flamingos. This is the cafe in Key West. Vegan joint. Pretty busy. Nice place for a vegan joint, huh? Terry and Dave do a great job running the cafe. They're open 10 to 10 during the week and 9 to 10 on weekends. Sunday brunch is 9 to 2. Finally having a piece of key lime pie. I know I won't want one tonight after dinner. Pretty good. Larry's birthday dinner at Latitudes on what is now Sunset Key. Sunset Key was previously known as Tank Island, the name given to it by the U.S. Navy during the Cold War when it was used as a fuel depot for large ships and submarines. The island was dredged in the 1960s to allow the passage of ships, but the island never saw real military action.